Hello, everyone. I'm back. This is Baka Senpai. I feel good. And I'm sorry. I guess I'll do that every time I start a video. I'll do that. I feel good. Anyway, let's just get back to it. This is RWBY, Volume 2, Chapter 3, A Minor Hiccup. Let's see what this is about. Alright, let's play.
There's a point where it tips, there's a point where it breaks, there's a point where it bends, and a point we just can't take anymore. There's a line up across and there's no return. There's a time and a place.
That is perfect. That picture right there is perfect. Is he a tiebreaker? Because his office is a clock. Like his entire office is basically a clock. I don't know if they said her name or not.
So, Weiss, I was thinking after this, maybe we could go grab a bite to eat? And, I've got 2 tickets to that new Bruce Willis movie if you want to make
Bruce
the trip to
Willis?
Vail. I hear it's
Don't you
awesome.
mean Bruce Willis? Not Spruce Willis?
And then maybe after that we could study together?
Just stop,
You're
John.
smart, and I'm
It's not gonna happen. She's too good for you. I'm sorry.
And then
She's too classy. I'm sorry.
timed that one wrong,
Just
I guess.
give up,
Well,
John.
the stunning conclusion to the story will have to wait.
Mustache.
Until next time.
Weiss, did you hear me?
No, yes. One day.
One day. More like never. I don't think Weiss will ever give him the time of day.
I thought that class would never end.
Ooh,
All right,
you got some
guys,
new
today's the day. The investigation begins!
I'm glad to see we're taking this so seriously.
Hey,
Yeah.
we've got a plan. That's moderately serious.
Right. Everyone remember their roles? You and I will head to the CCT to check the Schnee records for any other dust robberies or inconsistencies. Seeing as I'm in the family, it shouldn't be a problem.
The White Fang has regular faction meetings to hand out orders and recruit new members. If I can get in,
I
I
think
can
I
hopefully
like this
find out what
outfit.
they're planning.
I have an old friend on the shady side of town that typically knows everything going on in
That
Vail.
one is
Getting
covering
information out
more
of him
skin
shouldn't
than
be
usual.
too hard.
Great, we'll meet up tonight near Yang to go over what we found. Let's do this!
Yeah. Son!
Son, how did you get up there?
It's easy. I do it all the time.
You do what?
I climb
Oh!
trees all the time.
Now I
So,
get
are we
it.
finally getting back at
He's
that
Son
torture guy?
Goku.
We are going to investigate the
I
situation
can't believe I just realized that.
as a team.
Sorry, son.
I'm so down.
We don't want to get friends
said
involved if we
Goku,
don't
uh,
have to.
That's dumb.
Let's see.
You should always get friends involved.
The
That's why I
Monkey
brought
King.
Neptune.
Sup?
How
Oh,
did you
Neptune.
even get up here?
I have my ways.
Yeah.
Seriously though, can I come in? We're like really high up right now.
All
Made
right,
of heights.
I'll go with Weiss. Son,
yourself a
you can
man.
go with Blake. And Neptune, you can go with Yang since she doesn't have a partner. Everyone good?
Actually, Ruby, why don't you go with Yang? After all, she is your sister.
But Weiss, who would go with you then?
Well, I guess Neptune could come with me.
She's the house for Neptune.
But,
Denied. RWBY.
Wow! I forget how big the transmit tower looks up close.
you should see the one in Atlas.
That was the first one, right?
Correct. Atlas developed the cross-continental transmit system to allow the 4 kingdoms to communicate with one another. It was their gift to the world after the Great War.
Ooh, look at me. My name is Weiss. I know facts. I'm rich.
Don't be a pest. Besides, the only reason we're here is because you like the tower so much. We could have just as easily made a call from the library.
I know, but it's so cool. Oh, I'm gonna take a picture. Ah,
Take a picture. Drop your phone.
oh,
What?
you dropped this.
Penny! She's back.
Me? Where have you been? We haven't seen you since the night at the docks.
Yeah, who took you?
Sorry, I think you're confused.
I've got to go.
What was that about?
I
You
don't
gotta
know.
run her.
But I'm
Chase
going to
after
find
her.
out. You go make your call. I'll meet up with you later.
Wait!
You can't help it.
Penny, where have you been? It's been weeks. There seems to be a misunderstanding. What?
What? Yeah,
Penny,
what?
is everything okay? Penny, please stop. Look,
What's going on?
I don't know what's wrong.
She being watched?
You have
She
to
being
listen to
followed?
me. Those guys we fought at the docks, we think they're up to something big, something bad. I need you to tell me what happened to you that night. Please, as a friend.
What's going on?
It isn't safe to talk here.
Isn't safe.
Hello, welcome to the CCT. How may I help you?
I'd like to go to the communications room, please.
Absolutely. Could you please place your scroll on the terminal to verify your identity? Perfect. Thank you, Miss Schnee.
Smile. Wait, they're practicing the smile.
Welcome to the Beacon Cross Continental Transmit Center. How may I help you?
I need to make a call to Schnee Company World Headquarters in Atlas.
Absolutely.
She's Cortana.
If you could head over to Terminal 3, I'll patch you through.
Thank you.
Hi, Mom. How are things back in Signal?
Looks like she isn't
Thank you
happy
for calling the Atlas. Oh, Miss Schnee. Good afternoon. Would you like me to patch you through to your father? I think your sister Winter might be here as well.
What?
No, thank you.
Yeah,
I was
the sister.
actually wondering if you could find some
And her
files
name is
for
Winter?
me. I've compiled a short list.
That's not confusing.
I see. If you don't mind, what may I ask is this for?
School project.
There are some sensitive documents on this list, ma'am.
Wait, you're
Well,
buying
then, I'll
that?
be sure to treat them with
You and
care.
I wouldn't buy that.
Right. Very well. The data's being transferred to your scroll now.
She's really
Wonderful.
buying
That
it.
will be all then.
Are you sure you wouldn't like me to patch you through to your father before you go?
Yes, I'm sure.
Well,
Why are
then,
you buying this
have a
crap?
nice day.
Ugh, I guess if she's the daughter of the Schnee company's boss. I guess she could get away with it, but still.
I wish I could help you, Ruby, but I don't know anything about those men. Well, what happened to you that night? We were all together and then you just disappeared. Were you kidnapped? Oh, no, nothing like that. Well, then where did you go? I've never been to another kingdom before. My father asked me not to venture out too far, but oh, you have to understand, my father loves me very much. He just worries a lot. Believe me, I know the feeling.
Well, I guess yours is too.
But why not let us know you were okay? I was asked not to talk to you. Or Weiss, or Blake, or Yang. Anybody, really. Was your dad that upset? No, it wasn't my father.
The A3130 has been the standard security model of Remnant for several years.
That guy.
And they have done a fine job, wouldn't you agree? Wouldn't you agree?
Yeah.
But the Kingdom of Atlas is a kingdom of innovation. And fine? Well, that's just not good enough, is it?
Oh,
Presenting the Elysian Knight. 200.
I would have called that like a good first
Smarter,
impression of the
sleeker,
upgraded versions.
and admittedly,
It's like
a
disrespect
little less
to
scary.
the old.
These models will become active later this year, but they won't be alone. Now, the Atlesian military has always supported the idea of removing men from the dangers of the battlefield. However, there are still many situations that undoubtedly require a human touch.
Ruby?
So, our kingdom's greatest minds, in cooperation with the Schnee Dust Company, are proud to introduce
Shanice and the military.
the Elysian Paladin.
It's a mecca.
Now, we couldn't have them here for you today, but these mechanized battleships will be seen defending the borders of our kingdom within the year.
Mecca dives.
Ruby, maybe we should go somewhere else.
Of course, Ruby will be fascinated. She likes weapons.
Penny?
She's
Wait,
like,
where are you going?
she has like a weapon fetish.
Down here. She went this way.
Ruby, use your Ruby bullets.
This way.
She's the Flash. Yes, that was too much. Boy, that's good. Penny!
Penny? Are you okay?
Uh-huh. I knew she was powerful, but damn!
Did you see that?
Do you think she's okay?
Okay, that person's eyes is like way too green
Call the police?
and blue of that other person. Their eyes are way too green and way too blue.
Penny! Please! What is going on? Why are you running?
Yeah, what's
How
going on?
did you do that? I can't. Everything's
She's
fine.
the Hulk. Can't you tell with the green?
I don't
Just
want to
kidding.
talk about it. Penny, if you can just tell me what's
Hiccups.
wrong, I can help you. No. You wouldn't understand. Let me try. You can trust me.
Yeah,
You're my friend, right? You promise you're my friend?
we're best friends.
I promise. Ruby, I'm not a real girl. Oh.
Huh? So she's a robot? Okay, did not expect that. If I get copyright from showing the intro and the end credits, I'm gonna blame you guys. So it's gonna be your fault if I get striked. So, okay, I did not expect Penny to be a robot. It's like, well, I guess, but I didn't like think she really was. Because, you know, I like guess because the source from the previous season, from the first season of the last episode. But when I saw that episode again, it looks like she was wearing a backpack. So that like convinced me enough that she was not a robot, she was a person. But now after this, I feel I've been proven wrong. Okay, so Penny's a bot. Or is she? Because judging from that, she was Hiccup. She had hiccups, which I guess she has hiccups when she lies. But she has feelings. So that means she must be part robot. Because robots can't have feelings unless they're like half human and half synthetic. Like one guy from from My Robot, I think. Anyway. So I want to see how she explains. I'm gonna go to the next episode and probably quit for the night. Anyway, hope you guys enjoyed this reaction video. Leave your likes and subscription below. Leave your comments below, and let me know if you want me to react to any other videos. All right, I'll guys see you later. This is Baka Senpai. Baka Senpai. I feel good.